Hi, welcome to the course on getting started with Python. This is Mohammed Ilyas. So I'll be your trainer for this short course. Okay. So about me, I have a startup called Altsense Technology Services. I have a master's degree. So basically, I'm an entrepreneur. I started this company when I was completing my master's. So I was a robotics trainer. I started my career as a robotics trainer. Then I got into IoT and other stuffs. Then again, with few technologies coming up like machine learning, AI, and everything, I got into everything. Now I'm a trainer of all these technologies. I've trained more than 3,000 students almost, and I've conducted 150 workshops across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and all that. And we do industrial projects. We do projects for industries and IoT and all those stuffs. Okay, we do automations basically. And when it comes to Python, I started learning Python through robotics. I used to know code robots and see how Python works. So that's how I learned Python. So I've been training people in Python for the last 2 years. Now about this course, so this will be the content. So this course is not aimed at uh, an explanatory concepts. It's just to dive into Python and to see how Python works by doing things. Okay, we're not interested in learning theories here. We won't be learning deep concepts here. The idea is to make people get people start with Python. We'll be using mostly drawing functions. We'll be drawing using Python. So through drawing, we'll be learning all these concepts. So we'll see installation part first, and then we will see the basic operations like addition, subtraction, and all that. How to use numbers. Then we'll see strings, then loops and condition statements, list, input, functions, and modules. See, these are things that will be covered in this course very briefly. We won't see deep concept everything in every the chapter in this. Every concept, strings, list, everything is a deep concept. Okay, so we won't see deeply. We will see with the basic of all of these, and then we will do things actually. So that's how the course will go. We'll be drawing, and we'll end up doing tasks, or maybe in the middle. Each and every concept will be followed by a task. So we'll do tasks and see how things work. See in the course. Hope you'll like the course.